Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today I am going to show you how to make pendants and jewelry out of small mirror tiles. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some glass mirror pendants. I like to use leather or vinyl on the back of my mirror pendants, but you could use cardboard or decoupage some scrapbook paper. It's really up to you. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.